All right, so if you are in the business of escrow, as it shows above, you need to make sure that you write down this date. You're going to need to be here because Matthew Davis, attorney, he does a lot for the state for California Escrow Association. He knows the ins and the outs. And I know one of the biggest hot button items is going to be in regards to the NAR settlement and what is escrow's role in that in order to avoid potential hiccups for both you as an escrow officer as well as for your transaction. So it is going to be right here, September 10th, 6 p.m. It is here in Rancho Cucamonga. We are going to be hosting it over at the old Spaghetti Factory on Rochester and Foothill. There is a link in my bio as well if you would like to register. Now I'm going to challenge you. Maybe you're not a escrow officer watching this. Would you please forward this to your favorite escrow officer because they need to be there. They need to stay in the know. And in many cases, our escrow peeps, guess what? They don't get to get out of the office because they're so busy closing your files. So opportunity, check it out. Tri-County Escrow Association hosting this so that our escrow teams can get together and be better for all in our industry. I like to say that the escrow officer is the quarterback of the real estate transaction. Let's make sure they stay sharp. Maybe they can be the Josh Allen, or maybe you're a Patrick Mahomes guy, or gal. We'll see ya.